So we have from Spain Patrick Auda that make great improvement because when I came to the national team, he wasn't in the roster. No one know about Patrick Auda, and I went to visit him in America, and I discovered a good player, and I think it was a big surprise for us that is a player that can fit to our game, and also now we show in Spain that he play good, and in Poland. Andre Balvin, right now he will not participate this qualification. He decide to take care about himself, and he go to America to working with some clubs. Peter Benda, for me, is a status of liberty of Czech Republic. Is never ending, and this is it give you a show that it show you players, young players, that you don't need to be the most talented player, but you have heart. It's make you a good player. Boacik is a young player that will be. We want to prepare him to the next generation, next Eurobasket 2017. Pavelushka is one of our veterans player. I hope he will contribute. Wojtek here next to me, another player that every time that you call him for national team, he's not asking a questions. He can practice all year, and when you call him to national team, it's like you call him to the to the army. He's immediately stand for and be with us. Jerry Obalek is an old player. We want to try him. We didn't saw him a long time, so we try to see how he's going to do. David Jelinek play not bad last Eurobasket. I think it was one of the promise players in Czech Republic. This year he was top scorer on Poland League, and I'm sure he need to bring us from his professional quality. Krivanic is a young player that again in 2017 it will be a change of the generation in national team, and we need to prepare ourselves, and he is one of the youngs. Martin Kritz, great improvement this year, and I hope he will show it also in national team. Thomas Kislik, another young player that we hope that he will help us in 2017. Lukas Paliza, one of the best shooters in Czech Republic. Adam Pechacek, I said the name. Okay. Another promising player. It's supposed to be the future of Czech national team, and we're going to invite him and to see if he can help us this time. Martin Peterka, the same. Future of Czech basketball national team. Thomas Pomikalek, the same. Pavel Pumperla, like I said about Peter, this guy, a lot of time you don't see what is contribute on the floor. It's not, you don't see it on statistic. You see it more on the little things that you do it on the floor, and they make all the other players better. Sati, Sati and Vesely, I will speak about them together. I spoke with them the last month, 2 months, and I told them they're going to finish the season late, and maybe 2 weeks before we start first game. And when I called to Sati and the same Jan Vesely, that it's very surprised me, and I told them, okay, you finish the season, take 4 or 5 days break and come enjoy us in the national team. They said, no. As we finish the season, day after we want to play in the national team. And for me, it's a big success that to show that these players, they are really important to them to represent Czech Republic as a country. Jan Vesely, I finished a call with him 2 hours ago. I told him, come and take rest, 5 days. He said, no, as I finish, I come, I want to be with the team to do their best to be ready for the game. Blake Shield, the same. We don't need, like I said before, when we decide with the helping of President to bring Blake to play for Czech Republic, we knew that he married for a Czech girl and he wants to, after he finished basketball, to live in the Czech Republic. He's not going to America. When he finished this season in Turkey, he will immediately arrive with his family in Czech Republic. Petr Safarczyk, another young player that we hope he will contribute for us in the future. Yakov made good season this year. For sure, in 2017, he will be one of the second point guards in the national team because change of generation. Kamil Svardlik, again, a player that when you ask him to come, he ready to come immediately. Jan Vesely I spoke about. For me, it's a great honor that he's speaking like this about national team. Thomas Vural, another player with a future in Czech Republic national team. And last, it's Yuri Welsh, that, like I said about Peter Benda, when they finish basketball, they need to play basketball, they need to make statue of them for Czech basketball. He's the real captain on this team. And it's really important to him that he's really patriot, and it's really important to him that the national team will success. Not only in basketball, every sport is everything about. You're talking about Czech Republic. This is the guy who wants to be in front. Okay, this is the players.